So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to buy near protocol crypto or NEAR protocol cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once the app's opened up in the middle bottom, press on the magnifying glass. Once you're here, go to the top, the search bar, and start typing in NEAR. Then where it says under crypto near protocol, select that. And then at the bottom, the green button that says buy, press that. Once you're here, you can type in how much you want to buy. So if you wanted to do $5 worth, for example, you would type in 5 and then press review. Then once you're on this page, you can review the transaction or the order by seeing the amount, the fees, the cost, etc. And if this looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy near protocol cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.